Calling a plumber in America. Home repair. English. Real-life American phone conversation practice. Hi there. Welcome back to another real-life American English conversation lesson. Today, you're going to learn how to speak naturally when calling a plumber in the United States. Imagine your kitchen sink is leaking. Water is dripping everywhere, and you need help fast. What do you say? How do Americans explain home repair problems on the phone? That's exactly what you'll practice today. You learn how to describe plumbing problems clearly, schedule a repair appointment, ask about prices and fees, and sound calm and confident during a real phone conversation. These are real phrases native English speakers use every day, so don't just listen silently. Repeat out loud. Practice your pronunciation and train your ears to understand natural American English. All right, let's begin. Calling the plumbing company. Hello, thank you for calling Rapid Plumbing Services. How can I help you today? Hi, I have a leaky faucet in my kitchen. I'm sorry to hear that. When did the problem start? About 2 days ago. At first it was just a small drip, but now it's getting worse. Okay, is the water dripping constantly? Yeah, pretty much non-stop, especially during the night. I understand. That can definitely get annoying. Have you noticed any leaking under the sink? Yeah, there's a little water collecting underneath too. All right, it could be a worn-out washer or a loose connection. Can you send me a picture of the faucet and underneath the sink? Sure, I'll text it to you right now. Perfect, take your time. Explaining the problem. Okay, I just got the pictures, thanks. It looks like you probably need a new washer. That's actually a pretty common repair. Oh, good. I was worried it might be something serious. No, it doesn't look too bad from the pictures. That's a relief. Has the water pressure changed at all? Not really. The faucet just keeps dripping. Got it. And is this your kitchen sink or bathroom sink? Kitchen sink. Okay, we should be able to fix that pretty quickly. Awesome. Scheduling the appointment. How soon can someone come out? Let me check the schedule for tomorrow. All right, we actually have an opening between 10 in the morning and 12 noon. That works perfectly for me. Great, can I get your address, please? Sure. It's 245 Green Street, apartment 6B. Thank you. And what's the best phone number to reach you? You can use this number. Perfect. Will someone call before arriving? Yes, the technician will usually call about 20 minutes before arrival. That's helpful. Thank you. Asking about price and payment. Before we finish, how much will this probably cost? Well, there's a $75 service call fee. Okay, and that fee goes toward the repair cost. So if it's a simple fix, the final price usually isn't too high. That sounds fair. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we accept credit cards, debit cards, cash, and mobile payments. Perfect. About how long does the repair usually take? Most faucet repairs take around 30 to 45 minutes. That's not bad at all. Nope, it should be pretty straightforward. Confirming everything. All right, you're officially scheduled for tomorrow morning. Awesome, thank you so much for your help. You're very welcome. You'll receive a text confirmation shortly. Great! Do I need to prepare anything before the plumber arrives? Just make sure someone is home during the appointment window. Okay, no problem. And if the leak gets significantly worse tonight, give us another call immediately. Will do. Thanks again. Have a great evening. You too. Goodbye. Fast shadowing practice. Hi, I have a leaky faucet in my kitchen. When did the problem start? About 2 days ago. It's getting worse now. Can you send me a picture? Sure, I'll text it to you. It looks like you need a new washer. How soon can someone come out? We have an opening tomorrow between 10 and 12. That works for me. There's a $75 service fee. Sounds fair. Will someone call before arriving? Yes, the technician will call first. Perfect, thank you. Excellent work today. Now you know how to handle a real home repair phone call in American English. And honestly, this is the kind of everyday English that helps you survive and communicate confidently in real life. The more you practice conversations like this, the more natural your English will sound. So don't stop here. Replay this lesson again, repeat every sentence out loud, and shadow the conversation until speaking English feels automatic. That's how fluency is built, one real conversation at a time. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more real-life American English conversations. Comment "Plumber done" if you practice today. And tell me what lesson you want next. Calling a mechanic, hotel check-in, job interview English, visiting a doctor, talking to customer service. Keep practicing every single day, and your English confidence will grow faster than you think. See you in the next lesson.